Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Westfield gift card. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in westfield.com.au and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Westfield. Now, right from the homepage, you can find the gift cards tab underneath the login or sign up button. If you hover over to this, you will find the Activate Card button. But before doing so, just make sure you log into your account first. So click on the membership login or sign up button and you can log into your Westfield account. Simply type in your email address followed by your password and click on the continue button and you will be logged into your account. Once you are logged in, just hover over to the gift card section and then click on Activate Card. Now you will simply be asked to enter the security confirmation code and the card reference number. So just type in your security confirmation code followed by your card reference number and then verify your identity by clicking on I'm not a robot. Then simply click on Enable My Cards and you will be asked to enter further credentials on your gift card. After entering all of your credentials, click on the Continue button and this will activate your gift card with Westfield. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to activate your Westfield gift card. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.